How do I add the Bitcoin ETF to my Acorns portfolio? Acorns customers have the option to allocate a small percentage of their investments to the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy. Its ticker symbol is BITO. Before we get into how to invest in the Bitcoin ETF, here's why we're adding this feature this way. Number 1, diversification. Investing a portion of your portfolio in the Bitcoin ETF can help you diversify your investments or spread them around, instead of investing in one stock. This can help you weather market bumps long term. Number 2, investing for the long term. This Bitcoin ETF invests in Bitcoin futures, not directly in Bitcoin. Similar to stock market futures, Bitcoin futures give you exposure to Bitcoin by investing in their potential value without requiring that you own the cryptocurrency itself. Number 3, bit by bit. Instead of investing a lot of your money in a historically volatile asset like Bitcoin, you can invest up to 5% of your investments in the Bitcoin ETF, depending on your investor profile. While it's still a good idea to understand potential risks, this setup allows you to explore Bitcoin ETF exposure and potentially benefit if it performs well over time without having to go all in. Here's how it works. Tap the announcement modal in your app, or tap Invest for your future, then Portfolio, and scroll down to find the Bitcoin ETF card. Learn all about the feature, including the disclosures. Tap Add to your portfolio. Follow the prompts to confirm your portfolio update. Once the update is confirmed, future investments will be divvied up to help you reach your new investment targets. If you're in the Acorns conservative portfolio, you can invest 1% of future investments in the Bitcoin ETF. Moderately conservative, 2%. Moderate, 3%, moderately aggressive, 4%, and aggressive, 5%. We're excited to help you diversify your investments while supporting your long-term financial best interests. From Acorns, Mighty Oaks Do Grow, let's grow your oak.